It's your boy Crypto with another video today. Hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone's family is blessed. Let's get into this. So, the Bank of England and the Treasury explores the need for a digital pound. The Bank of England and the Treasury are exploring launching a digital pound in a move that officials claim would firm up, firm up financial stability in Britain. I'm gonna put my little 2 pence in quickly. I don't believe it's gonna just firm up the UK economy. I think it's gonna attract people and it's control. Once they get rid of cash and everything's digital, they can especially when everyone's on CBDC, they can cut you off the system, tell you can't buy this, or they can stop the payment altogether. So yeah, man, it's very dangerous. A lot of people are basically sleepwalking, man. A lot of people are asleep. But let's continue. No decision has been taken at this stage. The pairs the pairs expert says yesterday, but added that what some are dubbing Bitcoin is likely to be needed in the future. The digital pound is a kind of central bank digital currency, CBDC. Basically, yeah, as they said, a digital pound. CBDC shares pretty much all the same priorities as cash, but backers reckon they can cut transaction costs for customers. It's not about just cutting off. It's not about reducing the transaction fees. It's about control. Because you see with cash, when you go to your shop, if no one's there, just you and the boss shopkeeper, just you and him knows what you purchased. But with the CBDC now, the government, everyone, they're gonna know exactly when you spend it, what you spend it on, and there's no privacy no more. Not about if you're doing anything bad. It's just about privacy, just as an individual, having that financial freedom. But let's continue. Critics say mobile banking services offer the same function as a CBDC and have raised concerns about governments being able to closely monitor individuals' finances. Just exactly what I stated before, the monitoring. And going back to what they said just quickly in this article, they've got like um mobile banking's already available, so you know it's about control people. But anyway, as the world around us and the way we pay for things becomes more digitalized, the case for a digital pound in the future continues to grow. A digital pound would provide a new way to pay, help business help businesses maintain trust in money and better protect financial stability. Andrew Bailey, governor of the Bank of England, said the central bank and the Treasury said a decision to go ahead with a CBDC will not be taken until around 2025. But I've got videos on YouTube, if you go onto my channel, talking about how they're basically trying and they put out a little bounty. I think it's 200,000 for any company what can set them that can provide them with a digital wallet. And not only that, but there's more information, but it's around the corner, man. It's around the corner. If they have it, the thumbs up, a trial phase would be rolled out in which selected Britain's Brits coin selected Brits could deposit a capped amount of money in the digital system. So they're gonna cap you on the amount you can put into the system. Control. No interest would be paid on CBDC's deposits, and retail lenders would use the digital infrastructure to provide Brits digital banking services. A CBDC would bind the monetary system together in the same way the cash does, officials said, by establishing a single stable asset against which other forms of currency could be exchanged. Which cash is here to say a digital pound issued and backed by the Bank of England could be a new way to pay that's trusted, accessible, and easy to use, Chancellor Jeremy Hunt said. The government, the governor, the government later last night said submissions to its probe into whether a CBDC is needed are open until the 7th of June. The digital pound could be launched in the second half of the decade as the earliest. So they're trying to say 2025. Experts said uptake of a digital pound would strengthen the Bank of England's to ability to spot pinch points in the UK's financial network. CBDCs could equip central banks with new tools to significantly soften the impact of forthcoming financial crisis. So on. I'm gonna highlight that because I don't think a lot of people really are taking what they're trying to say. Forthcoming financial crisis. Do you understand? As we're in a recession now, but it's gonna get worse. And people, again, as I said before, are sleepwalking. A lot of people they're distracted by all these stupid memes and all these kind of I don't know, man. But they're not focused. But anyway, let me continue with the last bit. Given they would provide a real time view of risk and currency outflows, Martin Havries, chief product officer at blockchain firm Quant said. Hardgreaves. So this is coming from, you know, the CEO of Quant, or chief officer anyway. But anyway, it's your boy Crypto Trapper, and this is another video, and I'm out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know. I'm out.